Well, I have a set of 2 multi-purpose collapsible baskets. These are so easy to store. They're so versatile. You're going to get so much use out of them. And they're on the clearance price of $29.98. That's like $15 each. You can use it for laundry. You can use it for giving your pet a bath, or your small child even, maybe. You can keep this in your car to carry things. You can wash your car with it. Also, people are using it as their basket when they go grocery shopping, and it just collapses. It folds nice and easy. You can put your arts and crafts in there. It's customer top rated, and you're getting 2. Let me show you how easy it is to collapse. There you go. Very easy to collapse and very easy to expand as well. We have one color choice. It is taupe and white. It looks like a picnic basket, basically. And you're just gonna get so much use out of it over and over again. So it comes with 2. One of them holds 15 liters. The other one holds 20 liters. Let me give you those measurements. The large one is about 20 inches by 12 and 9 inches deep. The smaller one is 18 by 11 and 8 inches deep. And you can fold them, you can put them together like this and just stack them. Or like I showed you, just push down. Very, very easy to store. Look how thin it is. You can just slide it into a little crevice, slide it into the trunk of your car, in your cupboard, and the uses are just endless. I was reading some of the reviews on QVC.com, and people said sturdy, easy to store, substantial. They keep it in their car for their grocery shopping. I mean, look at this. So if you go to the grocery store and you don't have, like, if some grocery stores don't have hand baskets anymore, you can just put it on your elbow. I'll show you that in just a moment. Keep it under your sink to store cleaning supplies. You can also use it for laundry. Check it out. Go grocery shopping with it. Doesn't it look like a cute little picnic basket? And then when you're done with it, easy. Did I mention it has these great handles too? Very, very easy to use. People are getting more than 1 at this price. It comes out to $15 each about. It's customer top rated. That is item number V55664. And all right, people wanted to know what top I'm wearing.